Hello dear kids, welcome back to your active learning lab class. So children, today the activity which I have planned for you is 8 walk, and I like this activity a lot because in our active learning lab we have this wooden tool 8 walk, and I was thinking since so long how we can do this activity because this is very good for concentration. So I have planned it to draw on the floor. So children, you just draw it and enjoy this activity at your home. And for the same, for the activity, we have to move to the activity area. So children, I was telling you about 8 walk, and this is a kind of tool which we have drawn. Although I don't have this tool right now here at my home, but in our school we have this 8 walk tool also. So children, whenever school will reopen, we will enjoy that activity also, but as we all are here at our home, so we can draw and we can enjoy the activity. And as I told you, we have few letter, shape and number. Children, you can add more. You can add letter B, letter C. Okay, because I feel that you have completed till 1 to 5, 0 to 5. So I have just put few numbers, few letters and few shapes here. So here we have Aishwarya. She is going to show us how we will do this activity. Hello Aishwarya.
Hi.
So Aishwarya, you have to walk on this 8 walk. You know the rules of the activity?
Yes.
You have to just pick up one letter, alphabet or any shape, and then you have to walk accordingly. It means you don't have to draw it with your hands. You have to just walk or draw with your feet. Okay, understood?
Yes.
Okay, so first, which shape you are going to pick?
I'm going to pick circle.
Circle. Okay, so can you see circle here?
Yes.
Okay, so you have to walk.
Okay.
You have to walk with, okay, with your stretched hand. And see, Aishwarya is walking on the circle. So this way she has drawn the circle, and after that she rang the bell. So children, if you want, you can keep that bell, or if you don't want, you just walk and complete the activity. So Aishwarya, again pick up the circle,
Okay.
and which other things you can make. Means if I draw, if you have drawn circle, what else you can draw with this shape?
We can draw the alphabet O.
O is similar to circle, and 0 is also similar to circle.
Yes.
So very nice. Now pick up. So next letter or shape or alphabet, what you are going to choose? Just let me know.
Okay. I will choose 2.
Okay, so Aishwarya is going to draw 2. It is little difficult, but she is going to draw. Let's see. Okay, she will cover the curve and okay, walk on the sleeping line. Very nice, very nice. So Aishwarya, next one is take semicircle. Acha, okay, 1. Take 1. So this is 1. This is standing line also. So if we know how to make standing line, we can make 1. So this is, I think, very easy.
Yes.
Okay. Very good. So she has done this. Now Aishwarya, can you take semicircle?
Yes.
Because we can make what else you can make with this semicircle shape?
D.
Wow, capital D. And if we remove that lines and then C, if you tilt the sheet, so it will become C. C. Okay. So we are going to make semicircle first. So Aishwarya has made D or semicircle. So children, you can add more letter like standing line, sleeping line, and 8 also. Aishwarya, please make 8. Wow, how nicely she is making 8. 8. So children, this is very interesting activity and it enhances your concentration. So children, hope you all have enjoyed this activity and I'm waiting for your videos. Last time you have got the star. So this time also please do this activity and you will get 1 star. So children, I'm waiting for your videos. Please share your videos on my personal window. We will see you next time. Till then, bye bye. Happy learning.